Hi, we're Melissa Clarke,
and Silvano Barba.
the makers behind Clarke and Barba.
Melissa and I have always had a unique approach to our own personal style. We loved wearing pieces that felt different and reflected who we were, so we wanted to create items that gave others that same feeling. Confidence, individuality, and the freedom to be themselves. Etsy has been a huge part of our journey.
It gave us a place to share our work and get noticed from people all over the world, and help turn what started as a creative passion into a real business. We've had the chance to connect with amazing customers, hear their stories, and even make custom pieces that become part of important moments in their lives. That's something we're really grateful for.
Our business means everything to us because it's something we've built together with our own hands. Every piece is cut, assembled, and finished in our Los Angeles workshop by us. It's a lot of hard work, but seeing someone feel confident and excited wearing something we made makes it all worth it.
We're incredibly thankful to everyone who has supported us over the years, and we're excited to keep creating for many more to come.